6:48 a.m. Thursday, October 26th. For the residents and businesses of Zilla, WA, due to an E. coli detection in the Zilla water system, updates on the City of Zilla website, www.cityofzilla.us. For the residents and businesses of Zilla, WA, due to an E. coli detection in the Zilla water system, a boil water order is in effect until further notice. Updates on the City of Zilla website, www.cityofzilla.us.
In danger.
You have to be kidding me.
This is an Amber Alert.
Another one.
Iowa law enforcement has determined that a child has been abducted and the life of the child is in danger. An Amber Alert is in effect for Iowa. Here is specific information regarding the Amber Alert. The child was abducted on October 25th, 2023 at 3 p.m. from Preston Avenue in Des Moines. The suspect vehicle used in this abduction was a 2016 blue Audi with a bearing the following Iowa license plate number: North.
I'm gonna walk in.
South. D. 5. 8. 9. The destination of the vehicle is unknown at this time. The child is a female 14 years of age. Repeating, the suspect vehicle used in this abduction was a 2016 blue Chevy Cruze bearing the following Iowa license plate number: North, South, G.
This is a critical alert.
8, 9. The destination of the vehicle is unknown at this time. All abductors should be considered dangerous. To report information concerning the abduction of this child, dial 911. Attention media, for complete information regarding this Amber Alert, please visit the iowaamberalert.org website.
The perfect job is
EAS 600.
Inches per hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 54 inches are possible. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Dallas, Plano, Garland, Mesquite, McKinney, Frisco, Richardson, Allen, Rowlett, DeSoto, Wiley, Lancaster, Farmers Branch, Bulk Springs,
Now it's for Dallas.
Sancy, Addison, Highland Park, Murphy, and Prosper. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Now let's check on your local forecast for the Dallas-Fort Worth warning form. Locations that will
PDS flash flood warning right now.
Austin, San Marcos, Kyle, Buda, Wimberley,
Kyle
Austin Bergstrom
County is in
International
this as
Airport,
well.
Ulen, Mustang Ridge, Niederwald, Onion Creek, Manchac, Mountain City, San Leanna, Hayes, Creedmoor, Mott, McKinney Falls State Park, Pilot Knob, Redwood, and Del Valley. Turn around. Don't drown when
You piece
encountering
of
flooded
frick,
roads.
WJON.
Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Wisconsin County and northern Saginaw County. Please make sure your homes and vehicles are secured.
Maine again. First of all, PDS flash flood warning, and now we got a shelter in place. What is going on? Okay, you're making me lose control. Now another one, another child abduction. A child abduction. A child abduction emergency. Ah, for sakes.
I've just added the theologians.
First of all, now there's another one. What?
In southeastern Texas until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Magnolia Pinehurst, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Damage is likely. The dangerous storm will be near Magnolia around 6:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lower floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. You are outdoors. In a mobile home or in a vehicle. Move to closer and substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This is your NOAA weather radio station, WXK30 Texas, College Station, Texas.
You have to be joking. This isn't gonna be funny anymore. Cause it's near Houston as well.
Area. No action needed at this time.
Now a fire warning. What? Oh, can this get any great?
This is an Alberta emergency alert. The town of Olds has issued a boil water advisory alert.
Okay, never mind. It's a critical alert.
The town of Olds is under a boil water advisory due to a power failure at the Mountain View Regional Water Services Commission's water treatment plant. All residents and businesses within town limits are encouraged to
You gotta be kidding me!
boil for at least 1 minute prior to any consumption. For more information, follow us on Facebook or check our website at www.townofolds.com.
Hi, I'm Steph.
Okay, well.
Check our website at www.townofolds.com.
Oh my god, I got it.
www.town.
Oh my god, you gotta be kidding me!
Whether you wings slot.
Stop it!
Heritage Christian.
Oh my god, what the flip?
77 years old, height 5'6" weight 120 pounds, with brown
What the hell?
gray hair. He was last seen on October 29, 2023, at 1300 at his apartment on Braddock Springs Road in Centuryville, Virginia, Fairfax County. He is possibly wearing gray sweatpants, black dress shoes, a navy with an orange upside-down triangle, and a yellow jacket. He is presumed not to be in a vehicle and traveling afoot. The missing senior suffers from a cognitive impairment, and his disappearance poses a credible threat to his health and safety as determined by the investigating agency. Please contact the Fairfax County Police Department with any information regarding his whereabouts at 703-691-213-1, or you'll find complete information at the Virginia State Police website, https://VSP.virginia.gov/active alerts.
Yeah,